Hello guys, Karina here. I am so excited to bring you another battle of the boxes. If you guys remember last month, I did a comparison with IPSY versus BoxyCharm. I am lucky enough to receive both of the products and you guys seem to absolutely love the idea of me comparing two boxes or the boxes against each other. And from the comments, it seemed that last month IPSY won the battle. So here we are again comparing BoxyCharm versus IPSY. We're going to see what box takes the cake this month. Also, as you can see, I did create a look with both of the boxes, and this smoky eye was not planned. It is almost 12 o'clock. Yeah, 11:30 in the morning, and I am slaying a full smoky eye. With that said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight onto the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Let's get started with skincare. Last time, I feel like I didn't have a good idea of how I wanted to present the video to you guys. So what I did is I started off with skincare, obviously, so you guys can see kind of how the products work. The first thing that I tested out was this Tony Moly, the Chalk Green Tea Watery Essence. This has a value of $27. Now, this one says that it is infused with lemon seed oil, which has antibacterial properties to help prevent breakouts, rosewood to soothe and revitalize skin, leaving it hydrated and soft. It's a true multitasker, just like you. It did feel very refreshing and very awakening to your skin. Now, obviously, I don't see a difference yet on my skin, but I will definitely keep you guys updated tonight or tomorrow or on my next video if this product broke me out. I hope it doesn't, because I feel like I'm really going to enjoy this. We did receive another skincare item in IPSY. Now, this one is the Sun and Park Beauty Filter Cream Glow. I was really excited to test this one out in specific because this claims to be a product that you can apply before your makeup or the last step in your skincare routine. It's just a cream that you just apply all over your face, and it's supposed to instantly absorb into your skin, and it gives you some sort of like Snapchat filter-esque. When I applied it, first of all, let me say that I really like that it came with this little spoolie. It's just a lot easier to pick up the product and apply it to your skin instead of like shoving your fingers in there. I loved how my skin felt and looked after I applied this. Again, I don't know if this is going to break me out. I hope not. This is another Korean product. I know that Korean skincare is really good. I've heard amazing things about it. And if I didn't mention the price, this retails for $32. Let's jump into BoxyCharm. Oh my God, when I saw that we were getting this product in the BoxyCharm, I was so excited. I have been eyeing this specific product for such a long time. I actually have it in my Amazon wish list, and it's been sitting there for months, and I just haven't clicked the button. This is the Touch and Soul Smooth and Pore Covering Top Secret for Perfect Makeup No Pore Problem Primer. That is a mouthful. This one retails for $18, which is really not bad. I am going to read what it says. Create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. And let me tell you, I know that this is going to be my new go-to primer. When I was applying it on like the little clip that I'm going to be inserting, oh my God, it literally felt like velvet on my skin. My skin just looked like it had like this filter on it. I loved it. To tell you that I didn't even have to go in with my Cover FX primer. You guys know that that's like my ride or die. I always have to go in and like cover up my pores. My skin looks so bomb, and I am pretty sure this has everything to do with it. I am so happy that we got this. I'm obsessed already. I love it. Going back into BoxyCharm, this box we got a Pretty Vulgar bronzer. Oh, you guys know my weakness for bronzers. I absolutely loved it. This one is 113 Bronze Minikin. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Now, we have received Pretty Vulgar products in our BoxyCharm before, and I have loved everything that they have sent us. This is a vegan matte bronzing powder that gives your skin a natural, radiant looking finish enriched with ultra smooth, oil-free, lightweight pigments. This bronzer allows for easy blending and perfect coverage. I definitely noticed that it has really good pigmentation right away, but it blended out so nicely. I only applied it a little bit on my forehead, and then I did have to go back on my cheeks and just reinforce the color a little bit more. But I am definitely going to be using this way more than the next product that I'm going to talk about in just one sec. Now, jumping into my jumping into my IPSY box, we received a, where is it? Oh, duh. It's right here. We received this It Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi palette. I think that's how you pronounce it. This one retails for $42. I personally have never tried any It Cosmetics products, like never. Actually, I lied. I have tried it once. They're no pore, like little powder, which I absolutely hate it. Anyway, so we received this contouring palette, and this is what it looks like. The packaging is super cute, and then you just push it here, you open it. As you can see, you get a blush, the no pore setting powder, the bronzer, and a little highlight. So unfortunately, this isn't a product that I personally will use. I think this suits people that are lighter skin tone. The bronzer, I really had to go back and build it up, as you guys can see on the clip. It did show on my skin, but it wasn't as pigmented as the Pretty Vulgar. The blush is really pretty. I can see it on my skin, but unfortunately, these are blushes that I don't use. If you guys know that. I love peach blushes. That is my thing. Me and pink, we're not really tight. Now, I did actually enjoy this one. I did press it on my pores, and I saw a slight difference, but it wasn't like crazy, like, whoa, there's no more pores there. And then the highlight was very light. If you guys like a very soft, very natural finish to your highlight, I think this is a palette that you would enjoy because it is just very soft in general. I feel like last time we also received a Tarte product in our IPSY box. I don't remember. You guys can totally let me know if I am wrong. This is the Tarte Double Duty Dream Big Eyeshadow Palette. This one retails for $30. And it says, get your glam on the go. Pop this pocket-sized palette with 6 metallic and 2 matte shades in your purse to dress up your peepers before RSVPing to any last-minute party plans. So this is what the palette looks like. Again, I really like that Tarte has really cute packaging, but there's just something about their eyeshadow palettes that don't call my name whatsoever. And that's just speaking for myself. I know that a lot of people have different tastes in eyeshadow palettes. Now, when I was going in with this palette on my eyes, I was shook by the shade Go For It, which is a brown one. I was going to do a totally different look, and I was going to try and incorporate some of these shadows, but once I applied it on my eyes, the game was over, okay? Like, it was so intense and it was so creamy and pigmented, which I really liked, but I noticed that it turned from like this soft brown to this more like cool tone brown, which I was like, what? Wait, what's going on? So I was a little bit confused about that, but at the end, I mean, I think this look turned out pretty cute. Oh my God, when I first read this shade, I thought it said antibiotics, but it says ambitious. Going back to my BoxyCharm, I totally forgot that we had this, but this is the Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the shade Copper Foil. This one retails for $24. And this is an eyeshadow pencil. I personally don't ever reach for products like this, like they don't call my attention. In our BoxyCharm, we did get a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and it is a full size. This one retails for $24. I actually really like this mascara. I just hate that I had to use it because I have so many open mascaras that I kind of wanted to save this one, but you know, I had to do it for the YouTube. So I was super excited about this product. Also, we received another Sol de Janeiro. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but this is the Coco Cabana cream. Oh my God, this cream smells delicious. I can still smell it on my skin. Oh, it's literally like creamy coconut on your skin. So I am super excited that we have this one. I always keep one in my room or in my purse because they just smell so bomb. The last thing that we received in the IPSY box was this lipstick, which I didn't even try because I wasn't there for it, you know. This is the Finding Fernandad lipstick in Nob Hill. This is a $30 lipstick. God damn, what is this thing? This reminds me of that movie Fernandad. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it. This is a really pretty red, but I personally am not a big fan of bullet lipsticks in red. I just like a matte red lip. Like that's my thing. But that's kind of expensive. $30. Adding the total of both boxes. Well, BoxyCharm has a total of $118 and IPSY has a total of $161. So with that said, what do you guys think of the boxes? I personally think that BoxyCharm took my heart for the month of February because I absolutely love this. I love the Too Faced mascara. I love this crema. I love the bronzer. The only thing that I really enjoyed about IPSY in this month was the skincare products. I really appreciated that. And guess what, you guys? We are doing a giveaway. BoxyCharm actually sent me by accident, I'm gonna say, a second box. So one of you is going to win the February BoxyCharm that comes with all the products that I just mentioned. Now, I'm not going to send you the box itself because it has my personal information on the back, but I will send you everything that comes in here. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and to tell me what box you think won this month. It doesn't matter if you think IPSY won or BoxyCharm won. I'm just going to pick a random winner. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys have an amazing day and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you, chicas, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!